is Ellie Garage.
Ellie Garage.
Welcome to our unboxing.
Welcome to our
unboxing.
Welcome to our
Unboxing of our mystery box. From Tinaville Shop.
Tinaville Shop.
Mystery box. Show me yung mystery box namin. Show your mystery box.
This is the
mystery box. Show me yung
number.
Ellie.
Mystery box.
This is number?
This is number 10.
Okay! 16. This is number 16. Number 16 pala. Oh. 16. 16. Oh, let's open it. Ellie, excuse me. Open. Tingnan natin yung laman. Kasi yung laman ng ating...
Yung sa akin muna. Yung sa akin muna.
Oo. Tingnan natin yung laman ng loob. Ating unboxing. Ellie, alis dyan. Excuse me, Ellie. Uy, pasaril. Yan. Open natin yung box. Show mo na yung laman.
Sa akin muna.
Show mo muna yung laman. Ano ba yung laman? Open mo. Get mo. What's that?
This is a
T-shirt. T-shirt.
Kasi ito.
Dito muna. Ay, si Ellie. Hindi na ikaw kasama.
Yung Hot Wheels.
Mamaya, isa-isa lang. One by one. Show natin one by one. This is T-shirt.
Yung Hot Wheels.
Next is, show mo na yung laman Hot Wheels.
Not just Hot Wheels.
Kita nila. Yan.
Ako din.
Yan yung sa'yo. O yung kay Ellie. Show mo na.
Hot Wheels.
Yan. Next. One more. Ellie, excuse me kasi. Sira na yung camera natin kasi nililikot nyo. Next. Huwag naman ganyan, kuya. Ay nako, hindi na yan. Pangit na yung video natin. Nagalaw nyo kasi.
Sa akin muna, Dada.
Premium Toyota Soarer. From Fast and Furious. Oh, this one yung sa'yo. So, Toyota Soarer from Fast and Furious. Next. Black naman. Ellie. Nissan Skyline GTR. Black from Fast and Furious again. BNR 32. Next is yung 1982 Toyota Supra from Car Culture ng Hot Wheels. Premium din siya. Premium. So, ito, Premium Hot Wheels. Premium Hot Wheels. Wait.
Ruma.
Price. Mystery box.
Told you.
Yan.
No.
Uy, huwag mag...
Excuse me, mag-aral ako dyan. Matamaan ko ito.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Please like and subscribe.